Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. As was promised yesterday, as soon as I have got access to this Grok-3, here I am testing it and I will share and show you the results in real time. So let's test it out. Before I start the testing, I want to share something very unique which I learned about this Grok-3 and how it was trained. So let me share that first with you. A heads up too that XAI, the company of Elon Musk, which is behind this Grok-3, has not yet disclosed details about Grok-3's architecture, parameter counts, training dataset, training method, or any other recipe. So in this video, I'm not going to talk about that architecture or training, but I will be talking only about the facts which I know about the whole process around the training or what exactly was involved in Grok-3's training. So what Elon Musk did, he built a data center, which is also, we can call it a mega cluster, which is a massive facility designed to train AI models specifically. This facility is located in Memphis, Tennessee in US. This data center is housed in an old appliance factory that was previously shut down and relocated to China. This mega cluster has an impressive 200,000 GPUs, NVIDIA GPUs of course, making it the largest cluster in the world at this point in time. To put that in perspective, this setup provides 10 times the computing power of its predecessor, which is Grok-2, and we already have tested it out on the channel. To support this massive operation, what Musk has done, he has invested heavily in the infrastructure. This includes upgrading the substation, deploying mobile power generation, and tapping into the nearby natural gas line. This facility also utilizes industrial chillers for water cooling and Tesla mega pack batteries to stabilize the power supply. What's even more remarkable is that Musk is building his own natural gas plant next door to this facility. This will provide a consistent and reliable source of power for the data center. The primary purpose of this mega cluster is to train AI models, specifically this Grok-3, which is designed to outperform any other leading AI models. One last bit of information which I wanted to share is that this model has been trained with a chain of thought via reinforcement learning, mainly on math and coding problems. The model shows some reasoning tokens, but it has obscured various tokens, which seems to be a strategy to stop others to distill Grok-3's knowledge. So that is what I wanted to share with you. Let's try to test it out. So you see Grok-3 is already selected. Make sure that you click on this drop down and then go with the Grok-3, which is smartest. And you can find it on grok.com and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So first up, I'm just going to ask it, will human ever achieve the knowledge of an AI once human can integrate chips into their brain? How it will feel being a human at that point? And I'm just clicking on think. Maybe I will also do the, maybe I'll just go with think this time because it's a reasoning model. Hopefully I will have access to it. So let me run it. It is thinking. There you go. Again, the thinking process is happening step by step. It is slicing and dicing, understanding what it is doing. I will let it run so that you would also know how long does it take while it's thinking. And funny thing is that while it is thinking, I can't really scroll up and down. So, but you can read through it, and that is why I'm also just letting the video run. You see, it is going through knowledge versus intelligence. Quite a lot of thinking it is doing. And keep that prompt in perspective, which I'm showing above. There are potential drawbacks and that sort of stuff. And the reason, I mean, I'm not really, because I'm showing it to you in real time, is that I could get throttled anytime because everyone is trying to use it, and I'm based in Australia and Australians just have received the access to it. And it seems that everyone in Australia and then in this Asia Pacific region is trying out to see how it works. So I might get throttled anytime. But so let's see. There you go. So it has thought for just over a minute and then it is giving me the response. While it prints out the response, let me expand that, because this is what I'm more interested in. So you see it is doing chain of thought. It is understanding the context. It has broken it down into parts. That first, this is about human integrating. Okay, let me go again. There you go. So one query left for Grok-3 with think. Limit resets after 24 hours. So I have one more chance. So I will just first go down with this one. So it is saying let's address the first part. So you see it has done wonderfully well in terms of reasoning, I would say. And then second part, and then it has generated the summary. It says first we need to understand what knowledge means in this context. Very nice. It is understanding the knowledge and then considering the technological hurdles, even if somehow overcome these challenges. Very nice. And then it says, but let's be real, this is speculative. We are not even close to this level of technology. That's true. AI is it as a tool, not as a brain implant. Very nice. So it is talking about, let's dive into your questions about, so this is my first question. It is talking about, to answer this, we first need to clarify what AI like knowledge means. So it is going pretty deep in this one. There is a flip side, there is a being human, and then it is wrapping it up. Let me read it. So will humans ever achieve AI like knowledge with brain chips? Maybe in the distant future if we crack the technical and ethical puzzles, but it is not just about plugging in data. It's about how we use it as humans. As for how it would feel, it's a mix of thrilling possibilities, supercharged minds, and sobering challenges who we really are. For now, this is science fiction territory, so we can dream big while keeping an eye on the AI tools already shaping our world. No brain surgery required. So not only model is quite, I would say, rational, realistic, also has got bit of a touch of humor. Pretty good. Okay, now just because I have one query left, so I'm just going to ask it one complex math question. Now for the math one, I'm just going to use the same question we used for DeepSeek, and I'm asking it to add a pair of parentheses to the incorrect equation. And it is going to tackle it step by step. Again, it is thinking. Oh, sorry, I think I didn't. Sorry. Oh my goodness. I didn't click on think. I hope my query is still there. Oh, thank goodness. Hopefully it won't throttle me. So it doesn't keep it on. I thought maybe it will keep this think on. So you have to select it again. Let's see if it is doing. It is not showing me any thinking stuff here. You see how desperate we are. Only 2 queries. So hopefully it is going to come back. While it does this, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel AI is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws of agents, with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. So please do check them out. I will drop the link to them in video's description. There you go. So you see it was unable to finish replying. I'm not sure what happened there. I'll just retry. Nope. So limit reached. I'm sorry, seriously. So, but you can check it out how you go. So maybe I'll just think, and then maybe I'll just paste it here. Okay, so it is doing it without thinking. Let's see how it goes. It's the Grok-3 after all. I'll just let it run. Maybe you can also try it out on your end if you have the credits, or if you are, if you have the super Grok or all that stuff. Let me know how you go. So I will let it run for a bit and see if it gives me the answer. And there you go. It has given us the answer. So again, it is going step by step. It is not doing as such long thinking, but still good enough for step by step. It is checking, it is going off, and then it is saying that final answer is that suggesting 479 may be a typo. If 479 is firm, no single pair resolves it. Please clarify. I think that is a good answer. But look, I'm going to try it out again with thinking, and I will let you know if it gives us the same answer or a different answer. Also, please share it if you get it working before me. Share it in the comments, because it's a mutual learning. That's it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.